What's up everybody, it is Colin here, and in this video I want to talk about Chrome 80 and how it's going to affect our business as affiliate marketers when it comes down to push notifications. So I just got hit with this email from the What the F newsletter, and I'm just going to read out for you a little part because Chrome 80 will hammer down push notifications, or won't it? So it is an interesting move based on Google's part to protect the user, make a more quiet user interface available. It depends on the ratings of your website apparently, how the opt-ins for the push notifications and the delivery thereof will function based on this new Chrome 80 update for Google Chrome. So what is Chrome 80? It is a new version of Google Chrome that is due for release on February 4th, 2020. And what is going to happen? Chrome won't exactly block push notifications, rather it will block requests to push notifications. So it has to do with the database. This tool is called Quiet UI, so a different user interface, and it can work on 3 different ways. Users that frequently block push notification requests, here Chrome 80 will block all requests by default. The user will have to manually remove the block to be able to see requests again, which probably less than 1% will ever do, right? Websites with low opt-in rates. Again, this will result Chrome 80 blocking all push notifications requests by default. All users have the option to opt in to quiet unit interface to definitely block all push requests. So I don't think many people will actually go for that option. However, it is a possibility now to the user, which could potentially harm your push traffic flow. As it gathers more data, Chrome 80 will also block websites that abuse push notifications for promos or malware. So spamming the user is no longer an option. This is the first step, the first real step, because we've been talking about it since push became big at the end of 2018. But over time, everybody was afraid, is Google going to make a move to end or reduce the push notification business, push traffic in general, and us as affiliates are depending on this flow of traffic because it's very profitable. Well, this is the first move that Google is making to reduce and protect the user from spam, malware, all sorts of things like that. Because as affiliates, you know, there's always this thing. It happened with Facebook, it happened with search. The black hat guys, they just spam, and this is what you get. So what can you do to avoid it? Google suggests web developers test their site's permission request flow with a quiet user notification permission UI using Canary. I don't know what that is. For more info, refer to this video. So what I did was I actually went to this link, Chromium blog, news and developments from the open source browser project. And it explains you how it would work, usually block notifications, and that alarm bell is being displayed there. This is how it works, the enrollment and the opt-out. So standard Google Chrome settings, recommendations for developers, content indexing, and what I recommend you to do is I will leave this link to this blog in the description down below. You check it out, read it yourself. Not everything made sense to me because I'm not a developer, so I just scrolled through it. I read about the trials, whatever they're trying to do and how it's going to work. So for now, it is not destroying push traffic, but it is the first step in limiting the options you have running, receiving, building databases, everything related to push on Google Chrome. Project goals, you can read about all the different features, the API settings. It has a whole bunch of different information. Not everything is too interesting, but it's always good to have an overview of what the developments are about when actually big changes are being implemented. All these small little updates I don't really care about, but this is a move Google is making, Chrome 80 new Google Chrome update, and it might harm your business. So that is my update for today. Leave your thoughts about the Chrome 80 update in the comments down below. We can start a nice little discussion. Do you think push traffic will survive, or will Chrome Google slowly build out a system where it's basically removing this as a traffic option. I'll be back soon when there's a new update about this project. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dijs University. Dijs University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dijs University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.